question for you today. Did you know March is Reading Month?
Yay!
To kick off March's Reading Month, I have a few students with me that are going to have a bowling contest to try to win a free book. Let's get bowling. Go show it to Mr. McKee. Go ahead and grab one of the books. Go show him what the book is. Good job. Go pick one of those books.
Knocked 4 books down.
Thank you, Lila. Show Mr. McKee your book in the camera.
Hold it off.
Come on over and pick out a book. Show it to Mr. McKee. Hello Huskies! I wanted to tell you about a few more things that are happening during March's Reading Month. Please watch in today's newsletter for this Reading Month calendar. This calendar will outline our special Tuesday and Thursday dress down days for the month of March to support our theme, Reading is My Favorite Sport. This calendar also has the important dates of our virtual book fair. During the month of March, students will also have a chance to win a free book every day. Students will be able to enter into a drawing to win a free book by the amount of books they read. There are special events happening all around our building during the month of March to promote March is Reading Month. Also, Huskies, one more thing. During the month of March, our PBIS program is focusing on the character pillar of sportsmanship. Because we'll be focusing on sportsmanship, our physical education teachers will be helping identify students that are showing great sportsmanship during physical education class. We would like to thank the PTO for purchasing this brand new vending machine and Mrs. Malero for filling the vending machine. Those students that are identified for great sportsmanship during the month of March will have a chance to win a token that will purchase a new book from our vending machine.